Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C425. When you get the camera like this, the LED is flashing red. Sometimes it just stays steady for a while, red, and sometimes it flashes, right? You see here that I have my Tapo app and the devices are not available. They are offline. Not only the C425, but other cameras as well. And what I have to check here first is the internet. Usually the camera is trying to connect to the internet and it's not available for some reason. So if I come here to my router, the first thing that I have to do is just restart the router. I have a router here from Xfinity and I also have a repeater. The camera was connected to the repeater and I have no LED here, which means it may be stuck. So what I have to do is just unplug, wait for a while, and then plug back and wait for it to come up, right? I'm gonna just plug the cable back here. And this repeater, I have it connected to my main router here via cable. And via Wi-Fi, it's available to be used by the cameras, right? So it's going to start flashing here, the LED. Then I just need to wait for it to come back and observe if the camera comes back as well. If you have a repeater, for example, in a router like I do here, you just need to restart both. It's a good idea to restart both of them and then check the camera again. So let's just wait for a while and then check the camera. Okay guys, now see here the LED is steady, which means it's connected to the internet now. Let me just observe the camera. You see that I still have the LED here on red. I just need to wait a little bit more and see if it comes to green. There we go, it changed it to green. And after some time, I'll be able to see here the device coming back online, okay? And it's probably going to happen the same with the other devices I have available here, because I have a lot of them from Tapo. And you see one more time, it went off, so it's not flashing anymore. But I got it here working, see it? And it's back to green. So just be patient, observe a little bit if it comes back here to green, if you can see it back here. And later probably I'm gonna see my other devices available here as well. So let me just bring the camera here close to the window. Then I can just come here to the app. There we go. So it's available now and it's working, okay? So super simple. And if that doesn't solve the problem, what I have to do is just reset the camera, okay? So you can do it from here. You see that it come here and reset from here, right? If you just remove the camera, it's going to reset. But of course, if your camera is not coming up, you just need to reset physically, right? So you just need to bring the camera here and open this flap. And here see a reset button available. Just need to use a paper clip like this. Press and hold here until you see the LED flashing red. Will be like flashing pretty quickly. And then the camera is going to reset and the camera talks to you like resetting camera. You're gonna hear this information, right? I have another video here on the channel where I show how to reset the camera as well. So it's going to work. And then you're good to go, okay? Basically, that's the way you can fix this problem with the Tapo C425 flashing the light, flashing red, right? And that happens with other Tapo cameras as well. So I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.